Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring one of the standout features from OnPing, remote application deployment. We'll deploy and set up an app called LAS Proxy. It lets us connect to specific field devices via our built-in VPN, powered by Tailscale. First up, let's clarify what a proxy is. Think of it as a network traffic conductor, guiding your device's internet traffic. Our LAS proxy is a TCP proxy, which directs traffic based on IP protocol. Before we get started with the LAS proxy, here's what you need: the IP address of the device you're targeting, the communication port of the target device, the IP address of the lumberjack, the listening port you want to use. You'll usually find the lumberjack's IP address in the Network tab, listed as the Tailscale IP. For this demo, I'll use the LAS proxy to try to access the OnPing local version of lumberjack. I'll start by going to the Tailscale IP without the proxy to show you that the page doesn't initially load. Let's find our lumberjack in LAS. You can do this by searching either by its name or serial number. Once you're on your LAS page, click on the date-time screen from the hamburger menu and make sure the time loads. This confirms that your lumberjack is online and ready to go. Next, head over to the apps screen. Look for LAS proxy in your installed apps. If it's not there, no problem. Just check the available apps section and download it from there. After installing the app, click on its name to reach the configuration screen. This is where we'll enter the listening port, target port, and target IP. For our demo, I'll set the listening port to 3333, the IP address to 127.0.0.1, and the target port to 80. Here's the magic part. This routes the local LAS interface through our LAS proxy and up to my Tailscale IP. While this might not seem practically useful, it's perfect for showing you how the process works. After saving these settings and reloading the page, I can grab my Tailscale IP and go to the website. And voila! We can see the admin login, which confirms that we've successfully established a connection. The best part? You can point the LAS proxy at any IP that's local to the lumberjack. This feature is a lifesaver for troubleshooting issues with PLCs and other devices. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials. Until next time.